अब आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो।
ओके मैम। प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स, चौधरी चरण सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी। My project on Surya Siddhanta, presented by Rima Garg or submitted to Professor Shivraj Singh. Surya Siddhanta, the oldest book on astronomy known to man. Surya Siddhanta was first described by sun god. It is said that he shared this knowledge to Maya Danav, who was the father-in-law of Ravan. It was shared about 2 million years ago, and he passed his knowledge to sages, demigods, and demons over many years. Surya Siddhanta was first written down around 1500 BCE, and then Varahamihir around 6th century AD revised the scripture. Bhaskaracharya of 12th century modified it and added Siddhant Shiromani. Then in around 1860, Reverend Ebenezer Verghese translated that work into English, and afterward Bimal Prasad Datta translated the 12th century text into Bengali. This is the oldest book which tells us that Earth is round. There is a force by the effect of which Earth attracts things towards it. This force is gravitational force, which was discovered long ago before Sir Isaac Newton. The Surya Siddhanta describes rule to calculate the motions of various planets and the moon relative to various constellations. It also describes diameter of various planets and calculates the orbit of various astronomical bodies. This book covers kinds of time like length of years of gods and demons, day and night of Brahma, the elapsed period since creation, how planets move eastward, and sidereal revolution. It calculates the Earth's diameter to be 8,000 miles, and modern science says it is 7,928 miles. The diameter of Moon as text is 2,400 miles, or actual 2,116 miles. And the distance between the Moon and the Earth was suggested to be 258,000 miles, but now known to vary 221 500 miles to लेकर 252 2000 2,52,700 miles. It contains the root of modern trigonometry. This is evident the use of trigonometric ratio like sine, cosine. शेषम नतम शः सूर्य तदहुज्य च कोटिज्य शकुमाना गुलाभ्यस्ते भुस्तिज्ये यथाक्रमम् कोटिजया विभाज्यप्ते छायाकर्णां अहर्दले क्रांतिजया विष्णुकर्ण गुणाप्ता शंकुजीव्या. Of the sun's meridian zenith distance, find the zaya means base and kojaya cosine or perpendicular sine. If then the jaya and the radius be multiplied respectively by the measure of the gnomon in visit and divided by the kojaya, the result are the shadow and hypotenuse at midday. The Surya Siddhanta is one of the several astronomy-related Hindu texts. It represents a functional system that made reasonably accurate predictions. The text was influential on the solar year computations of the lunisolar Hindu calendar. The Surya Siddhanta has the largest number of commentators among all the astronomical texts written in India. It includes information about the orbital parameters of the planets, such as the number of revolutions per Mahayuga, the longitudinal changes of the orbits, and also include supporting evidence and calculation methods. References: Wikipedia, booksfast.com, gktoday.in, and sanskritimagine.com. लिपि समाप्त.
आप ना अपनी फर्स्ट स्लाइड मुझे एक बार फिर से शो कीजिए. ये लोगो पहले नहीं आ रहा था ना आपका?
हाँ, ये अगर ये बाद में आया था, मतलब जैसे इस तरीके से.